Is your iPhone draining too fast? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 5 practical steps to extend your battery life right now without buying a new phone. Step 1. Check which app is draining your battery. There's often a hidden app running in the background and eating your battery. Go to Settings, then Battery. Scroll down to see the list of apps sorted by battery usage. If you see an app you rarely use at the top of the list, delete it or restrict its background activity. Step 2. Turn on low power mode. It can extend your battery life by up to 30% by reducing non-essential activity. Go to Settings, then Battery, and enable low power mode, or add it to Control Center. Go to Settings, Control Center, and add the low power mode option. Step 3. Turn off background app refresh. Apps update even when you're not using them, and they burn battery doing it. Go to Settings, General, Background app refresh, and turn it off. Apps will only refresh when you open them yourself. Step 4. Lower brightness and enable auto brightness. The screen is the single biggest drain on your battery. Open Control Center and lower brightness to the minimum comfortable level. Then go to Settings, Accessibility, Display, and Text Size and turn on Auto Brightness. Step 5. Check your battery health. Below 80% maximum capacity, your battery loses range significantly. Go to Settings, Battery, Battery Health, and Charging. If capacity is below 80%, consider having it replaced by Apple or an authorized repair center. Is your iPhone lasting longer now? Let me know in the comments which step worked for you. Subscribe to Tatos for more iPhone tips.